Hi, what is up guys? So today we are going to create this home screen setup. We find out totally awesome home screen setup. How do you create this home screen setup? Firstly, I show you what is the home screen grid. So I use 150 size icon pack for desktop grid 7 by 4, and in dock I use 4 icon pack. And for widget I use total 3 widget, and link in description. You can use any kind of iOS KWGT for this setup, and today I use this KWGT where you can find out lots of widget for your phone. And last but not least, I use white icon pack for this setup where you can find out all type of icon pack. And if you want this icon pack for free, you just need to comment Nova Launcher setup and I give you this premium icon pack for free. So yeah, I know you like this home screen setup, and if you find any issue you can comment and I can upload the detailed video